I work in AI every day, diving deep into this technology that's changing the world. But what's crazy is most of the people who is not from the AI field or not from the AI background haven't really seen how fast and massive these changes have been. For years, AI was just hidden mostly behind the complex research papers, technical papers, and with tech jargon. It felt like something only few experts or techies would understand or cared about it. But starting from 2022, everything shifted. AI was everywhere, not just in labs, but in tools millions of people use daily. And the big trigger for this explosion? You're absolutely right, it's ChatGPT. Today I want to share my perspective why AI took off so fast, why ChatGPT made AI real for everyone, and why this matters to you even if you are not a tech person. AI story goes back to the 1950s. But for decades, it was mostly something hidden in labs, understood only by researchers or tech giants. The early software pioneers were contributing into AI aspect. AI is a composition of software, mathematics, and statistics, and under lots of data, right? So it is not just that it is seen as magic that you could see. And if you were an everyday person, it would be very distant and very confusing for you to understand what AI means. It used to feel like so foreign and alien for all of us if we had ever heard of the word or the terminology artificial intelligence. Even AI applications that existed back in the day, like early voiceover assistants and recommendation engines, were quite often frustrating and also were not functioning up to the mark because of various different reasons, right? Most people didn't really grasp what AI was or why it mattered because it was wrapped up in a complicated tech language or in a very simple words in a computer language and used in only behind the scenes research. There are many different reasons for this. The top three reasons that I could think of are the following. One is computers weren't powerful enough. To train the models and to calculate such complex mathematics behind every model, it takes a lot of computational power. This is something that we achieved and we only got recently. The second most is AI needs data. More the data, more the quality of the data, and a better data that you feed into these models, you can get and expect to have a better quality of results. So back in the day, we were actually short of data, which is in the digital form, and everything was available either in the paper or in the books form. Internet's explosion in the recent past in the content creation world and also the amount of data that has been digitalized created mountains of information that AI could learn from. Third most reason is the AI models weren't advanced enough to understand or generate language naturally. That changed with new breakthrough in recent years. Between 2017 and 2020, everything aligned perfectly. GPUs and specialized chips got powerful and affordable. Cloud computing gave startups and researchers access to this power without huge costs. The internet's vast data fueled AI training, and new architectures like transformers enabled models to understand and generate human language naturally. This led to creation of large language models or LLMs or GPTs, which helped in producing coherent and meaningful natural language and information for the very first time. But despite these breakthroughs, the AI was mostly for specialists and the tech giants until ChatGPT. OpenAI launched ChatGPT in late 2022 and made it publicly available for everyone. And suddenly millions of people could have real conversation with this technology of AI, which actually understood them in their own language, and it did not give them a feeling that it's an alien technology for them anymore, and AI felt quite near and dear to everybody post ChatGPT is made public for and accessible for everyone. ChatGPT was not just powerful, it was easy to use, it was very intuitive. You wouldn't have needed any sort of special skills and you wouldn't have needed any degree to actually use ChatGPT in the first place. No PhD or an expensive hardware needed. Just an internet connection and a web browser where you could actually log into ChatGPT and interact with it as if it's quite real. People started to use it everywhere, brainstorming ideas, writing emails, students for their everyday work, and business to make it and maximize their profit. Every single day and every single business use cases have been like quite thriving, and everywhere you can see how AI it's been adapted every single day. ChatGPT was the iPhone moment of AI. It put AI in everyone's hand and it made more practical and relatable to every single one of us. This explosion in accessibility created huge demand and forced companies across industries to jump on the AI bandwagon. Before ChatGPT, AI was like a calculator in a textbook. Useful, but something you rarely use directly. ChatGPT is like the smartphone of AI. It's right there and it's right in your pocket, ready to tap, talk to, and explore at any point of time whenever you wish like. The chat GPT made the accessibility so easier and powerful that anybody could actually afford thinking about AI. So it had transformed the entire mindset, lowered barriers for innovation, showed how AI could actually think and act naturally, and inspired waves of creativity and new apps, starting from customer service bots to content creators. So that's how the transformation has been seen so far, and that's how the transformation has been adapted into every single business and in every single day in all of our daily life, basically. At first, many were really skeptical. Is AI really smart? Can I use it in my daily crucial tasks that only I can do? Can I really rely on the work or the results that AI produces for me? So there were like hundreds and numerous amount of questions and doubts on AI and its ability, of course, right? Now, billions of us rely on AI every single day for our daily tasks. Some for business, some for learning, some at schools, some at teaching. There are some instances and there are some videos out there where students are accepting that AI is of great help for their to finish their homeworks and schoolworks. This widespread use of AI in our daily lives sparked an important and ethical conversations, asking about, will AI really take over our job? Will AI replace me? What happens to human creativity? Where will all the authenticity goes if AI does everything for us? All of these are very important questions to be addressed while and how responsibly can we use AI in our daily lives? These questions are really crucial because AI is not just a tool anymore. It is part of our society. It is part of our daily lives. We carry it in our pockets in our daily work every single day, and we see how AI could benefit us. The AI boom isn't slowing down. Whether you create a content, work in office, or studying, you have to learn how to live with AI. That's become the normalcy for today's life. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini Pro, and all the other DeepSeek and many different tools that are available out there are only here to help us and make our productivity increase better and faster. You don't really have to be a tech expert in order to use these kind of tools and adapt the AI in your daily life. All you need to have is an open mindset and see how can I explore AI today and where exactly am I having a big problems in my daily work and how AI can fix it. That openness can already help you in exploring this AI arena and see what is out there for you. It's all about learning to work with these kind of tools and make your life easier, better, and more creative. If you haven't tried AI yet, just explore some tools like ChatGPT and read about it. There are like millions of articles which are available on the internet, and see where and how it could help you and benefit you in your daily work for your productivity boost. And this will also help you in exploration of other tools and or similar tools, and you don't really have to think complex on this at all. AI is here to stay. You have to learn to live with it or you will be left behind. Whether it is in your life or in your daily work or in your professional life, it doesn't really matter. In one or the other form, AI will find its way to actually come in. But only thing is, are you ready to explore and adapt? That's where the main question lies. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this useful, please hit that like and subscribe button. And also watch my other content on my YouTube channel. I mainly talk about life, tech, AI literacy, social media detox, and also productivity in all together. If you want to be part of my journey in understanding this entire process of content creation and how I see what my perspectives are about life and AI and all the other topics, hit that subscribe button and let's stay connected. Tell me in the comment section, have you ever used AI? If so, what exactly is it being used for and what problem is it trying to solve you for on a daily basis? And how do you find the adaptation process so far? Please let me know in the comment section and let's learn and grow together. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe.